Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Can of Python. In the last tutorial, we have covered the function in the pandas. Okay, so in this tutorial, we will just see some more stuffs, some more functions we can see in the pandas and how to put the condition inside the pandas data frame. So we will see in this tutorial. So let's get started, guys. So first of all, we will import our pandas as pd, then import os, then os dot get current working directory. We'll check the directory, then we will call our data, same data what we called in the last lecture. Read csv. Okay, then we'll pass this path inside this one. We'll remove this slash. My file is in desktop, so I will rename that file. I'll copy this one, then I will paste it over here. Okay, I will execute. So I got this data now. I'll put this in one attribute, that is data. Okay, then we can call this data. If you want to check the total length of your data, so you can check that one. See, the total number of rows are 1880 and 1880. If you want to check the total maximum confirm cases inside this data, so we can check that as well. So data, inside this one we have to pass the confirmed, that is column name. Okay, then the max function. Okay, max function will execute. Sorry, it's a max. Execute. We got this 263460. It's a maximum number of confirm cases. Okay, we can see the minimum number of confirm cases as well. It's a 0. Okay, like this minimum maximum function will work and length function will work. We will see how to put this condition inside this data frame, how we can slice our data. So I'll put one condition inside this one. So data, then I will pass the list, then I will make one condition, that is data. I'll put confirmed is greater than 15. I will execute this one. See, I'm getting the data according to my condition. I have passed the condition, that is confirm cases greater than 15. Means this confirm cases greater than 15, that data I want only. So see, the confirm cases we are getting the greater than 50 only. Okay, so like this condition will work. We can put multiple condition inside this one. We will check some other, that is data. Then if you want to pass the two condition, then you go accordingly. Just see the syntax what I am writing over here. So data, then confirm cases suppose greater than 15, and my second condition is data, the death cases, this one, the death cases. I'll copy this column name, I'll paste it over here, then I will pass the condition that is greater than, will pass this condition that is less than 5, let's say less than 5. Then I'll close this one. Okay, once you will execute this one, it is executed now. See what is going on in this. If this and this condition both are true, then only we are getting that data. Okay, see the confirm case is greater than 15. Okay, it's a true. Then death case is less than 5, that is 0, it's also true, so we are getting accordingly. If you change the condition here, greater than, once you will execute, see, okay, once you will put the greater than sign, then 5, once you will execute, see the confirm case is greater than 15, it is true, right? And the death case is greater than 5, that is 17. Okay, it is also true. Okay, once this true, both condition will true, then only we'll get that result. So AND function will work like this. If you put the OR condition, that is line, Okay. Okay, once you will execute this one, see, if this either this or this any condition can true, then it will show that result. In the AND situation, both conditions should be true, and in OR situation, any one condition should be true. Okay, see, the greater than 15 confirmed cases, it is true, but the death cases are 0. This condition is false. But in our condition, in our situation, if any condition, both of condition, if any condition will true, it will show that result. Okay, so see, the first condition is true, greater than 15, but second condition is it is false, but it will show that result. Okay, if you change this condition, 5, close, and you will execute, see, the in this it should be, means the death cases should be greater than 5. See, it is 0. This condition is false, but greater than 15, this condition is true. So and or this condition, this situation means like this and or will work, right? And or function will work in the data frame for slice C. So like this we can slice our data accordingly. What we want means the condition, how the condition will be like this, so it will work accordingly, according to our condition. Hope this will make sense, guys. We will see in the next tutorial some more stuffs, some more functions with the pandas. Thank you, guys.